Well, my name is Brown. In this video, we're gonna see what happens when your PayPal account has been suspended. I'm going to give an example of a friend's account, uh, which has been suspended, and he tried to appeal, but the appeal failed. Okay, so we're going to see what to do when you have tried everything. Maybe you have tried to appeal to PayPal, you have maybe tried to call them, but nothing works. Okay, so if you're in this situation, your money has been taken and you're stuck. Okay, you don't know what to do. So you can watch this video and see what you're gonna do. Okay, so let me log into my friend's account, and this video is dedicated to someone who is stuck. You have tried everything. Okay, and PayPal has suspended you for permanently. Okay, it may be you may not be sure what they suspended you for. Okay, but this guy suspended you. I made a video of similar to this some time ago, and I discussed one of the things which can lead to your PayPal to be suspended. And we're not going to really look into all that, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to try to see if you've got suspended, what to do next, okay? Now, the first thing, what I usually recommend is you can wait for your money, because when these guys suspend you for 6 months, you have to really wait actually for 6 months. That is 180 days. But not everyone has time to wait for 180 days. So what we usually do is, instead of waiting 180 days, you can refund the money back, then you recreate another account. Okay, though this is important to know why your PayPal was suspended before you create a new one. If it's minor issues, like maybe you used there was suspicious activity, maybe you've been logged in from different devices, you can try. But if you may, but if the reason you are suspended were kind of maybe fraud, you like took someone's money there. Now that situation is a bit complicated because fraud is a bad thing. Okay, so I'm taking this precaution because this guy's account was I think suspended using a VPN. Okay, he didn't know like a VPN has issues, so he tried to call them, but they refused. So he stuck to the money. So instead of waiting for 6 months, we're going to try to refund this money and create a new account. Then they will send the money into the new account. The good thing now, he knows that he doesn't have to use a VPN. Okay. So let's do step by step. So we're going to try to refund this money back, right? So let me click on refund. There were two payments. Okay, there were two payments. So we're going to try to refund this money back so that kind of we can just create a new account. Then the sender just sends you a new account. Now, kindly note that there are some instances where you can't refund the money, but that was commonly back in last year, that was 2023. But in 2024, there was an update. You can easily refund this money. Okay, you can easily refund this money. But last year, this was kind of bit hard, because when PayPal suspends your account, last year we're not being able to refund this money, but now, right now in 2024, you are able to refund the money even if you have been permanently suspended. Okay, I think it was after people complaining, and these guys kind of revised their policies or something. So we are refunding this money. Okay, so let's try to go back to our activity and try to refund the other money. Okay, we can't wait 180 days for this money to come. Okay, you just excuse me, my net may be slow, so I planned a short video like 5 minutes, but I think it's gonna be more than 5 minutes. Okay, so that one's done. Okay, so that is refunded. Okay, let me try to see what I've refunded. Okay, this is done. Fund too. So I think this is what we refunded. Okay, here it is archive. So after refunding, you can't refund again, okay? So there's nothing like refunding twice. So this is the one which still has a refund. So let's kind of click on refund. So don't wait unless you want to wait after 180 days. But the problem, even after 180 days, PayPal might still refuse you to refund to get that money. Okay. So I've seen it a lot of times. So let me first issue refund. So I've seen it a lot of times, like people are stuck with the money after years and years. Have a friend is stuck with the money for the last 5 years. Okay. So yeah, so even this is done. So we are refunded the money. Let me go back to the activity. Apart from this guy being suspended, although he says it was a VPN, but his transactions are kind of suspicious. This was a new account, and it got a payment on 25 of 52.07. Just after a week, actually, this was not like a week, this is like, okay, 6 days, they got another payment. Try to avoid getting payments in same amounts exactly in a short time, okay? I've seen it like people losing their accounts, maybe just receiving the same figure. It benefits like $10, but $10 are repeated like twice a day. It can really raise an alarm, especially for new accounts. So try to receive this money, wait for it to be on a variable balance, then get another payment. Okay, so don't just receive payments immediately, especially if your account is new. Okay, try to receive a payment, wait for it to be on out of hold. That can take 21 days. After getting the first payment out and using that money, then you can try to receive other money slowly. So don't just receive every money going on a hold and you just be there. So I think even the mistake this one that is having a new account and you're receiving similar amounts, it kind of look fishy, all right? PayPal is kind of sensitive even in small minor things. So try to get the payment, wait for it to come out of hold and receive another payment. So we have refunded that. So at least we have no money. Okay, the account is suspended, but the money of the sender is safe. Okay. So let me check out. All right. So we still have like 45. Okay. So let me try to refresh here. Maybe we have another money we need to refund. Okay. So it has like 45. So let me try to check. It was something like 100 and something. So maybe it has another payment we have to kind of refund. So instead of leaving money for 180 days, I rather refund. Then after refunding the money, try to fetch out your information out of PayPal so that you can create the account again. All right. So let's check out. Do we have anything which has a refund? Okay, I think they're all sorted out. Okay, yeah, make sure if you can't see refund on your transaction, it means you can't refund that money. All right. I think maybe it's in a queue or something. All right, seems everything's refunded. Maybe there's a glitch or something. All right. So you can even try, let me try for the past 90 days. Maybe it was old payment. Okay, all right, all right. I think it's here. This is Louis. All right. Okay, this is like this guy got a lot of payments in a short time. I think we have to kind of refund this. This was 45. This is like 14. This is like 31. So let's try to refund this money again. I'm not leaving any money in PayPal. Okay, you try to fund everything. So after refunding the money back to the sender, you're going to try to fetch out your money from this platform. Okay, sorry, you're going to try to fetch out your details so that you can use them again. Okay, that is something which I'm going to show you. Let me try to finish refunding all this money. This is 15. I think it's now remaining 15. Okay, so after refunding all the money, what I usually do is I fetch out my telephone line. I delete my line so that I can use it in a new account. Please note, if you use your line, okay, if you don't see all account, you can say past. If you don't see, if your line was not verified, this can work for you. But if you verified your line, you can't actually use that line again. All right, can't use that line again. So let me refund even this. So if you didn't verify a line, you can delete your account. Sorry, you can delete your telephone line, then you use it. Okay. If you verified your line, that is fine. But it's more better if you didn't verify that line. You can easily use that line again. Okay. So I think we are done with refunding every money. I think may leave with like $1 or something. Okay, so this is 1.61. Okay, I'm not leaving any money, guys. I'm just need everything out of this account. So I was thinking about like after refunding the money, you have to change the details, change your telephone line so that you can have a chance to use that line again in a new account. Okay, don't just leave your details there. Then after that, you can go on ID. Then you try to edit your ID to something else. All right, or you try to delete it. But I don't think deleting it's possible. You can try to edit it. Sorry, you can try to edit it, or you can also try to edit the telephone line, because most cases deleting it out may not work, but we're going to see. Okay, all right. So I think we are remaining with one payment. If you don't see your payments, you can always say, you can always filter, then you search the old dates. Okay, so all right, so okay, so this is the one which has a refund, so let's refund this. After refunding the money, the senders may have to wait between 1 to 3 days. Some, depending on the country where it's coming from, the sender where it's coming from. Some refunds can be immediate. If you use this PayPal balance to pay you, it may be immediate. If you use a card to pay you, it may have to wait between 1 to 3 days. Okay. Yeah, so after refunding, if he doesn't see this money refunded, it's okay to kind of wait between 1 to 3 days. I feel we are done. Every man has been refunded. Okay, every man has been refunded. And, so let's try to kind of